Okay, so quick updates on the Greenworks Twin Force or the related type Twin Force, Cobalt, Mapulum Pro Craftsman mowers by that trading company there in Hong Kong. This part didn't come with. Kind gentleman sent me for free the pieces here, and it was missing this part, so I put together, I was able to, like I had planned, make drawings for this and drawings for this, and bear with me that I've been on a hiatus from CAD and never really was a pro at Onshape, and somewhere along the line one of the constraints got off, so this size out here constrained affected this size, and for some reason it was like 1 in 25 30 seconds versus 1 in 27 30 seconds. So the size was off, and it looked like it might have thrown off the center hole. So what I had to do was find the torch, which I couldn't find the box, for my plastic welding and soldering, which brief hiatus from the a Solar Kitty project, which will be a bird feeder using these $9.99 2K Wi-Fi cameras, and I'll get into that later. Edit this all out. But I found finally the plastic welding kit and was able to find the torch. So thanks to the beauty of 3D prints and PLA in particular, was able to take a torch to this and adjust the size without having to reprint again. I didn't have my 3D printer, so I found somebody who would print locally. Check out your Facebook Marketplace or other local resources, Fab Labs, Maker Places. You never know, maybe somebody down the road has a 3D printer, and they'll be way more than happy to make a quick 5, 10, 20, whatever, to make the part. This one I paid $10 for, and I had it within a day, so that was pretty cool. But yeah, my fault there with the size. So I updated the Thingiverse with the second set of step files and STLs. I left the original there, and same with GrabCAD. So those new files are there. They might still be off a little bit, so I have to really look back and reassess what I did, because I did that really quick one afternoon. Did the measurements with a tape measure, not with a caliper. And yeah, so they might not be the most accurate. And hopefully they're precise enough. But yeah, trying to put this together and put it to work. Recreating the sound as found of the one of each side, at least 4 bearings, probably all of them. They look rusted, but here we go. Post 3D printed piece and assembled. Pissed off. Okay, so I'm going to try 3-in-1 and see if 3-in-1 does that. Okay, so I did ATF first. Let that kind of soak, and then keep in mind these are sealed bearings, it looks like. And then I did 3-in-1 oil, and here it is.